In this tutorial, you'll learn how to automatically trace 2D images in Autocad using a fast and efficient DXF conversion method instead of manual tracing. If you've ever spent time painstakingly tracing images line by line, pixel by pixel, you'll know just how time-consuming it can be. Today, we'll shortcut that process using an easy and effective method that will save you not only time, but also frustration, allowing you to focus more on the creative parts of your projects. First, open your preferred browser, where we'll begin by utilizing an online tool to convert your image into a DXF file. DXF, or Drawing Exchange Format, is a type of CAD data file format developed by Autodesk, enabling data interoperability between AutoCAD and other programs. This conversion allows your image to be directly usable within AutoCAD, bridging the gap between your raster image and a vector-friendly format. Once you've navigated to a reliable website that offers this conversion service, you'll need to upload your image. The process here is quite straightforward and parallels the typical file upload you might encounter while sending an email attachment or uploading a file on any platform. Simply locate the Upload button or link on the web page, usually prominently displayed, and select your image file from your computer. This step is crucial. The quality of the DXF output will largely depend on the clarity and resolution of your original image, so make sure you're uploading the best possible version.